Welcome to this week's Investor Update. I'm Nicole Hoare, Business Development Manager here at Century 21 Novocastrian, and I'm here to bring our Newcastle Lake Macquarie investors up to date with what's happening in our market, with some tips, tricks and strategies on how to maximise your return on your investment. This week I actually want to talk about minimising your vacancy and also maximising those returns. So minimising your vacancy and maximising the return are two important points we focus on as a team, working with new investors, but also our current investors when your property is coming up time for a lease renewal. We work hard to ensure that we minimise the days on market. Currently, we're sitting at 0.82% as our vacancy rate. Now, that's just slightly up from last week, but still really low for the market. Now, what we do as a team to ensure that we're maximising those returns, we want to do effective marketing. We keep our communication open, and as a team, we're understanding the current market. Now, we do use various platforms such as online listings, social media, current tenant inquiries from our active tenants looking at properties. And what that allows us to do is actually, if you've got a property that's upcoming, we can send it out to those tenants who are actively looking to let them know that your property is coming online or we're getting close to. We also want to make sure we're reviewing the market demand. We compare local properties and comparables just to make sure that if we need it, we can adjust strategies accordingly. We also want to make sure there's tenant selection. So we implement thorough screening process to select reliable tenants who are more likely to stay longer to reduce those vacancy periods. Now, does that change and do tenants vacate unexpectedly? Absolutely. But we also want to ensure prompt maintenance and repairs between the tenancy to minimise that downtime. So your property managers will work with you if there is maintenance on the property, have a plan with you to get those completed. Regular inspections also assist us with making sure that if we need to address any issues promptly, it actually keeps the tenant satisfied and will reduce your turnover long term. Now, communication. We maintain open and transparent communication with the tenants to address concerns properly, and what that will do for us is foster that positive relationships with them. Now, by implementing these strategies, you can strike a balance between minimising vacancy and maximising those returns. Ultimately, the performance of your rental properties will be better. So where to from here? So reach out to me directly to discuss any of your upcoming properties, or if you'd like to discuss the process of changing managing agents, please reach out to me. I'd love the opportunity to be able to talk to you. I'm Nicole Hall, Business Development Manager here at Century 21, and I'll talk to you soon.